Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern, rustic, and eco-chic furniture design ideas for your home from salvaged lumber. So watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. In today's modern woodworking landscape, a quiet but powerful transformation is taking place, one that blends sustainability, artistry, and entrepreneurship into a single inspiring movement. The rise of eco-chic furniture design, particularly the practice of creating wood crafts and furniture from salvaged lumber, has redefined what it means to be a modern maker. It is no longer just about crafting beautiful pieces. It is about crafting meaning, preserving resources, and building a legacy of conscious creation. This shift is not a fleeting trend. It is a reliable, deeply significant evolution in the world of design and business, one that empowers both artisans and entrepreneurs to align creativity with responsibility. From salvaged lumber to modern rustic perfectly encapsulates this journey. It represents the transformation of forgotten materials into timeless treasures, the rebirth of old wood into functional art that tells a story of renewal and resilience. At the heart of this movement lies a profound respect for material. Salvaged lumber, whether it comes from deconstructed barns, reclaimed floorboards, or discarded shipping crates, carries a rich narrative written in its grain. Every dent, knot, and weathered texture speaks of time, history, and endurance. Unlike freshly milled timber, which is often stripped of its individuality through industrial processing, reclaimed wood retains character. For the modern woodworker, that character becomes both a challenge and an inspiration. Each board is unique, demanding creativity and adaptability in design. What was once dismissed as unusable is now seen as a resource of immense value, a material with soul. In embracing salvaged wood, artisans move beyond the conventional boundaries of production to create pieces that embody authenticity and purpose. This mindset has become the foundation of a sustainable woodworking culture, one where beauty is defined not by perfection, but by preservation. The significance of this shift reaches far beyond aesthetics. It marks a fundamental change in how modern consumers value products. In an age where mass production dominates and identical furniture fills global showrooms, people are increasingly drawn to items that carry a sense of individuality and conscience. Eco-chic furniture, crafted from salvaged materials with care and integrity, offers exactly that. It combines rustic warmth with modern minimalism, resulting in pieces that feel both grounded and contemporary. A dining table made from reclaimed barn wood, for instance, might showcase rough-hewn edges paired with sleek metal legs, a visual dialogue between past and present, tradition and innovation. This fusion appeals to those who want their homes to tell a story, to reflect not only personal taste but also values rooted in sustainability and appreciation for craftsmanship. It is this emotional resonance that gives salvaged wood furniture its enduring commercial and cultural relevance. For entrepreneurs, this evolution in taste presents a fertile opportunity. The market for sustainable, handcrafted, and bespoke furniture continues to grow as consumers become more conscious of their environmental impact. In this landscape, woodworking businesses that prioritize reclaimed materials and eco-friendly processes are positioned not just as producers, but as storytellers and visionaries. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The reliable significance of this movement lies in its dual power. It satisfies both creative passion and economic potential. By transforming what others discard into desirable, high-value pieces, modern woodworking entrepreneurs are proving that sustainability and profitability can coexist beautifully. A single reclaimed wood coffee table, for instance, is not just a product, it is a narrative of transformation, an embodiment of resourcefulness, and a statement of values. Buyers are willing to invest in such pieces not only for their craftsmanship but for the meaning they carry. The entrepreneurial spirit within this movement is also reshaping how businesses operate. Small woodworking studios and solo craftspeople are increasingly adopting circular economy principles, reducing waste, reusing materials, and repurposing what once would have been thrown away. These practices not only minimize environmental harm but also foster innovation. Working with salvaged wood often means thinking creatively to solve design challenges, adapting techniques, and finding beauty in irregularity. This process fuels originality and gives rise to a distinct design language, one that values the organic, the imperfect, and the enduring. Entrepreneurs who embrace this approach differentiate themselves in a crowded marketplace, appealing to customers who crave authenticity over uniformity. Moreover, as sustainability becomes a central pillar of global business ethics, companies that champion eco-conscious production gain credibility and loyalty, making this model not just morally sound but economically sustainable in the long term. From an artistic perspective, crafting furniture and decor from salvaged lumber allows woodworkers to explore a harmony between old and new, natural and refined. The modern rustic aesthetic that defines this genre thrives on contrast. Smooth finishes meet rough textures, sleek silhouettes merge with earthy tones. This balance creates a timeless appeal, allowing such designs to fit seamlessly into both urban lofts and country homes. The artistry lies in honoring the material's past while shaping it to meet the needs of the present. A craftsman may turn aged beams from a dismantled farmhouse into a minimalist dining table or transform old floorboards into geometric wall art that captures the interplay of light and shadow. Each creation becomes a bridge between eras, a testament to the idea that sustainability is not about sacrificing style, but about deepening it through intention and story. The reliable significance of this approach also extends to community and culture. Many woodworking entrepreneurs source salvaged wood locally, partnering with demolition companies, architects, or individuals to reclaim materials that might otherwise go to waste. This practice not only reduces landfill contributions but also strengthens local economies by fostering collaboration among trades. It creates a ripple effect of awareness, encouraging others to value what they already have, to repair rather than replace, and to see beauty in what is old or weathered. As a result, the act of woodworking transforms from solitary craftsmanship into a community-driven expression of sustainability. It becomes part of a global conversation about how art and business can coexist with environmental stewardship. The emotional and philosophical dimension of working with salvaged lumber cannot be overstated. For many makers, there is a profound satisfaction in knowing that their work contributes to something larger than themselves. Each time an artisan sands an old plank smooth or polishes reclaimed wood to reveal its grain, they are participating in an act of renewal, a reminder that creation and conservation can be one and the same. This mindset nurtures a deeper sense of purpose and integrity in the creative process. The furniture that emerges from such intentional work carries not only craftsmanship but soul. It becomes more than an object. It becomes an heirloom of meaning, connecting maker, owner, and nature in an enduring cycle of respect and renewal. The financial sustainability of this movement is equally important. Unlike the fleeting trends of fast furniture, Eco-Chic and reclaimed wood designs endure because they are rooted in values that transcend time. Consumers who invest in these pieces see them not as temporary decor, but as lifelong companions that age gracefully and tell stories with every mark and patina. This longevity gives woodworking entrepreneurs a stable foundation for growth, supported by a clientele that values durability and ethical production. As global awareness of climate change continues to rise, demand for sustainable furniture will only strengthen, ensuring that businesses grounded in reclaimed and eco-conscious design remain relevant for decades to come. Ultimately, from salvaged lumber to modern rustic captures more than a style. It defines a philosophy of making and living. It represents a shift toward conscious creation where every cut, joint, and finish reflects respect for both material and planet. In this evolving landscape, modern woodworking entrepreneurs are not merely building furniture, they are building a movement, one that celebrates renewal, authenticity, and balance. The reliable significance of this transformation lies in its universality. No matter where one begins, whether in a small workshop or a growing design studio, the act of reclaiming and reinventing wood is an act of hope. It proves that artistry and sustainability are not opposites but partners, and that every salvaged plank carries within it the promise of a more responsible, more beautiful world. Through this union of craft and conscience, homes are transformed, livelihoods are sustained, and the timeless bond between humanity and nature is renewed, one handmade piece at a time. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern rustic and eco-chic furniture design ideas for your home from salvaged lumber. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.